Is there anyone from Kannada Wikipedia here? Can you please? Yeah. Oh, Shrikant, come on over.
As I probably said 2 days ago, Kannada Wikipedia is not really active over the past few months or years, I could say. But whenever I open the recent changes page, and all I could see was Radha Tanaya's name, and I tried talking to him or her, but I don't know, he or she never replied, and he never replies to anyone, but his contributions just keep on coming. I don't know what his motivation is or anything, but he just keeps contributing. So thank you.
Thanks. We move on to projects. So here we had a difficult challenge when we went through the awards. So essentially we looked at all projects that had, presence in these, and there were some really very creditable contributions. Wikisource is extremely active, and you should check it out, both in Sanskrit and Malayalam. And there are numerous documents there. And but then these are mostly community run. There's no one very distinct Wikimedian who's contributed to it. So this is primarily community-driven exercise, which is even better. And we just thought that we should applaud both these communities for their fantastic contributions. Wiktionary, we have the gentleman here. Could you please come on stage and shake hands? The first Wikimedian who's here for the day. Everybody else has been virtual Wikipedia style. All right. This is user Loganathan from the Tamil Wiktionary. Would you want to talk about what you have done? Okay. Tamil Wiktionary. Speak on the mic.
நான் வந்து விக்கி அப்படி எவ்வளோ புதுசோ அதே மாதிரி கம்ப்யூட்டரை பற்றி ஒன்றுமே தெரியாது எனக்கு வந்து நிறைய பேர் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க நிறைய விஷயங்கள். ரொம்ப சில்லித்தனமான கேள்வியெல்லாம் கேட்பேன் நான். நோட் பேட்னா என்ன, எக்ஸல்னா என்ன, அது மாதிரிலாம் கேட்பேன். இப்போ வந்து உபுண்டு பயன்படுத்துகிறேன்.
So he says that he knew no computing when he started trying Wiktionary. He would ask people what's a notepad, what's Excel. He had no clue about computing. And
அப்புறம் நிறைய பேர் கணேஷ்கேன்னு ஒருத்தர் வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் விக்கிபீடியன் இருந்தார். அவர் தான் வந்து எனக்கு வந்து பாட் பற்றி ஏடபிள்யூபியில் எப்படி ரன் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லி கொடுத்தாருங்க. நக்கீரன் வந்து உபுண்டுவில் பைத்தான் எப்படி ரன் பண்ணணும் சொல்லி கொடுத்தாங்க. இப்போ ரெண்டுலேயுமே நல்லா ரன் பண்ண முடியும். என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கைக்கும் கணினிக்கும் சம்மந்தமே கிடையாது. நான் வந்து உணவு தொழிலில் வந்து ஈடுபட்டிருக்கேன்.
So he says that there's no correlation between his profession and Wikipedia. He works in the food and beverages industry, and he took the help of user Ganesh K, who's very prolific, still continues to contribute English Wikipedian, who's based in the US, and he taught him how to do bots, and the other user Nakiran taught him how to use AWB and Python and Ubuntu and stuff like that. So நீங்க என்ன பண்ணிருக்கீங்க அதை பத்தி கொஞ்சம்.
நான் வந்து கூகுள் டிரான்ஸ்லேட்டரை பார்க்கும் போதெல்லாம் அதே மாதிரி நம்ம தான் எப்படி ஆங்கிலத்திலேருந்து பல மொழிகளுக்கு போகக்கூடிய வசதி வந்து ஆங்கிலத்தில் இருக்குது. நம்ம தமிழ் மொழியில் கொண்டாடணும்னு எனக்கு ஆர்வம். அதனால் வந்து எல்லாத்தையும் கவனிக்க ஆரம்பித்து இப்போ வந்து நிறைய கட்டுரைகளை வந்து எல்லாம் தமிழ் விக்கிபீடியர்கள் வந்து ஆங்கில கட்டுரைகள் இருந்தால் மொழிபெயர்க்கிறாங்க. அதனால் முதல்ல வந்து இங்கிலீஷ் டு தமிழ் டிக்ஷனரியை வந்து உருவாக்கணும். அதில் வந்து ஏறத்தாழ ஒரு 2 லட்சம் சொற்கள் வந்து செஞ்சுருக்கோம். இதில் 1 லட்சம் சொற்கள் வந்து தமிழக அரசு வந்து கொடுத்தாங்க. அப்புறம் சைனீஸ் பேசிக் சைனீஸ் டு தமிழ், பேசிக் அரபிக் டு தமிழ் இது செஞ்சுருக்கோம். இன்னும் ஒரு எதிர்காலத்தில் ஒரு இடத்துல வந்து இந்திய ஆட்சி மொழிகள் எல்லாத்துல இருந்தும் தமிழ் மொழிக்கு போகிற மாதிரி நிச்சயமாக ஒலிக்கோப்புகளோட அகராதிகளை உருவாக்குவேன்.
So essentially when he did see Google Translate and he found there were lots of gaps in things moving into Tamil, so he started working on the words and how they need to move. They also worked with the government to get a lot of technical words released from them. So thank you so much for your contributions. The other recognition is for Wiki News, another user called Kanax.
கனெக்ஸ் வந்து ஆஸ்திரேலியாவில் இருக்கார். அவர் வந்து ஒரு டாக்டர். அவர் வந்து விக்கி நியூஸை வந்து அந்த ப்ராஜெக்டே மூடலாம் அப்படின்னு முடிவெடுத்தாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ரவி சுந்தர் இவங்களாம் எடுத்த முயற்சியில் அதை வந்து நிலைநிறுத்தி ரொம்ப அருமையாக இருக்குது விக்கி நியூஸ். தமிழ் விக்கிபீடியாவுக்கு அப்புறம் தமிழ் விக்கி நியூஸ் தான் சிறப்பாக இருக்கும்.
User Connects is a Tamilian based in Australia. He single-handedly runs the only Wikinews project in India, which is the Tamil Wikinews. He's been doing it for a few years, and incidentally, he's also the second most prolific contributor in Tamil as we speak. So in that sense, while he's recognized for Wikinews Tamil, he is the second most prolific contributor for Tamil Wikipedia. Thanks. The next one is WikiQuote, Malayalam Wikipedia. Can someone please come and talk about this very quickly? We're running out of time, so can you run up if you don't mind? Thanks. Thanks, Ramesh.
Thank you. Fuad is, another, he's based out of Trivandrum. He's another prominent user in ML Wiki. He's professionally, he's a doctor, he's a dental surgeon. And he is very active in not only in WikiCode but also in Wikipedia. And he is one of the user who participate in most of the outreach programs. He helped us conducting a lot of Wiki academies in Trivandrum and a lot other part in Kerala. So I think he is deserved to mention here. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Lastly, Wikibooks, we're recognizing Pichai Muthu, and a big applause for him, please. Okay, we move to the last piece, which is sort of something that we thought we should recognize a few very fantastic, very noteworthy contributions, which are, I'm sure all of us will agree. This is again a jury mention, and we didn't have these as nominations. I would like to take you through each of these. The first one is Tamil Wikipedian Senge Poduvan. Could you please come on stage, sir? I had the honor of walking him from this place to his hotel, and that's when I discovered he was a prolific contributor. He's 76 years old, and you can see his hand shakes. He told me that he can't have lunch without his wife's help. And he has contributed 800 articles where he's a prime author in the last 14-15 months. And the fact that he was not nominated is a failure of our process. I can't say anything more than that. Sir, we are deeply honored, and please speak a few words.
Dear learned experts, first of all, I want to thank the Wikipedia committee to pick up me from the more than 300 Wikipedians. My name is the prime. One, I wanted to say, I am 76. I did not know how to move the mouse before 5 years. Only from 2005 I bought a computer and learned. I am so young. My experience in Wikipedia only 15 months. In 15 months, I contributed 833 articles. all the articles based on primary sources, not secondary sources. Once I started editing Tolkappiyam in Tamil, I saw it is the article translated from English. I am extremely shocked. Tolkappiyam is the core, is in Tamil. An article translated from English. The English article about Tolkappiyam is completely dependent on the secondary sources. So, I want to edit the articles. When I go to edit, some problem is there. Once I want to express my feelings in English, the world should recognize Tolkappiyam. Then only my article will be accepted. So, I started translating Tolkappiyam, not translating. Give the contents of Tolkappiyam. You know, contents of Tolkappiyam, I started to, in 4 heading articles. Tolkappiyam, chapter 1:1, Tolkappiyam chapter 1:2, Tolkappiyam chapter 1:3, Tolkappiyam chapter 1:4, like that. There are some objection, queries, in that article appears. 1. Copyright. Where is the copyright? The original source already exists in Wiki source, in Tamil font. But the book is belong to Tolkappiyam is the first, earliest work available in Tamil. It's a literature. It speaks about the language, Tamil language. Not only the Tamil language, the first 2 chapters in Tolkappiyam deals with the Tamil language. The third one deals with the literature in Tamil. I searched for some other sources. There is no other grammar in any languages, right or wrong, maybe, in any other languages, speaks about language and literature. The literature in Tolkappiyam, based on the life of the people of Tamil Nadu, BC. Tolkappiyam belongs to 3rd century BC according to my calculation. Once Barnell, an expert, says, come to the conclusion, Tolkappiyam belonged to 8th century AD. But he accepts on the basis of Tolkappiyam preface. He accept Tolkappiyam is prior to Panini. He accept. But Panini. But he conclude Panini belongs to AD. Are you going to accept? It is not fair. Then, so I started my articles to reveal the contents of Tolkappiyam in English. Then the expert will come to the conclusion about the outfit. This is my work. I am already I told that all my articles based on primary sources. Again, only even in the primary sources, I am not interested or accept any fantastic sources. Real sources only I accept. Thank you very much for your patience having my small thoughts.
Thank you so much, sir. We're deeply honored.
Thank you, Madam. You are very much inspiration to all our senior citizens to really discover competitive.
Bring a round of applause for his immense contributions, please. I would like to invite the next. Nobody knew till that he announced that he was user Anirudh and that he was visually impaired. He has 8,000 plus edits to his contribution. And somebody had spoken to user Mayur yesterday to tell him that we discovered this, and Mayur almost didn't believe it. So he has been contributing for the last 3 years without declaring and nobody knowing that he had this, he was visually impaired. So we're deeply honored, Anirudh, to have you here, and you are another celebration of what Wikipedia or Wikimedia stands for. So could you please say a few words?
Yes, sir. In January 2009, on Google search page, I have found a Hindi Wikipedia link. I go there and read articles. After some time, I realized that someone is writing for me. After some time, I realized that in this process, I can be part. Then why I shouldn't write for me? For this, I don't need to disclose that I am a blind, or then I make a registration user ID and try to edit. Earlier, the process was very slow, but because I'm doing all things for myself, I'm making a home bars making for me, and I am lifting their tiles. Then I have no tired and there is no problem that my contribution is very slow and low than others. And because I have no recognition bill, I don't want to recognize someone is looking for me or not. That is Wikipedia concept, and I admire and like deeply this. So my contribution is being regular, and after some time I feel that I can contribute as well as other persons and as fast as people who can see. Some areas are problematic for me and still today, and I think after a lot of invention, it will be problematic little. That area is a picture related area, but two things I have learned. One is don't think what you can't do. What you are doing is most important. And in Wikipedia, editing is contributing articles in text is most important things. Picture, templates, categories are other things, which is important. But don't worry if I can contribute in that. But because I want to discover, I have tried hard and found the way for me and for visually challenged, how we can add categories, how we can edit on front page. After a long while, Hindi Wikipedia administrator gave me right to access front page, which is more responsible, even knowing that Anirudh is blind, because Anirudh's contribution is valuable, and we can we can give him this opportunity. So he gave him, and I regularly contributed in news edit section. In conference, someone asked, can visually challenged contribute to Wikipedia? Is Wikipedia is made for visually challenged? I was there, and I am example that Wikipedia is made for visually challenged, even more than others, because we can easily access content, and that is free. There is no copyright issue, which publishers often told us, though you can't scan our books, you can't record them because someone can misuse them and our copyright will be violated. On Wikipedia, there is no issue, and information accessing is most problematic for us. Then Wikipedia is more beneficial for us. Then we shouldn't only users or Wikipedia, we must contribute in Wikipedia. Thanks very much.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Please remember, he is the 7th most prolific contributor in Hindi Wikipedia of all time. It's not just, and he is the 5th most prolific contributor active at this point, and therefore it is a fantastic contribution. Thank you so much, Anirudh. The last one, and with that we are closed, and my apologies, we ran a little late, but as you can see, these were very great stories that we needed to showcase. The last one is P.V. Junaid, who has made a fantastic technical contribution to all the Indic languages with Narayam, and we really thought that he being the brainchild behind it, maybe I would like to ask any Indic Wikipedian to come and say what this means, anybody, just to say what it means for the rest of the audience. What does Narayam mean for you, and what was it before and after? No more than 2 minutes since you're running behind schedule.
Thank you, Arun. Another reason for me to stand here on behalf of Malayalam Wikipedia and just a proud user of Malayalam Wikipedia. Junaid is a really active Wikipedian in Malayalam, and he's also a software developer. But I don't think his background is a software developer. But what he has done is he has developed a tool called Narayam, and this tool he has developed first for Malayalam Wikipedia as an input tool, which has been made as an extension in MediaWiki for Malayalam Wikipedia in the initial stage. That was during 2009-2010 time. Then later, this MediaWiki extension has been implemented in all the Indic languages, and Wikimedia Foundation has taken this tool as a project, and it has been developed for all other Indic languages now. Junaid is actually here in Mumbai, but he is currently in the hackathon. What he is doing, he is developing the same tool for other Indic Wikipedia languages. So it is already active in Malayalam, Hindi, and one more language. I think it's 3 languages already active, this particular input tool. Odia, yeah, thank you. Odia language is already active, this particular tool, and it is getting developed for other Indic languages. So, and it is part of a project of Wikimedia Foundation now. So that's a wonderful achievement Junaid has done for the entire Indic Wikipedia community. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. I just want the jury to quickly come on stage. Jayanta, can you please quickly come on stage? Anybody else from the jury here? Ashwin, where are you? He's in the other track, so he's not here. Siju? He's already there, yeah. So I want to thank the jury, and it wasn't an easy task, and we hope we did our best, and just want a quick jury to stand up and take a quick picture, and we get off stage. Thank you. One second, we got one more jury member.
Hello. Thanks, Arun, for the nice organization of that noteworthy recognition and jury appreciation ceremony. I think we are running short. I think it is already 12 and we have cut into the next session. So I would like to kind of keep the remaining points brief. So next thing we have is Wikipedian speak and user speak. Is there somebody in the audience who has not edited so far and who would like to share his experience as a reader? Just one person we can give an opportunity. That lady's hand I can see first. I would request her to kind of come and speak for a minute on what she likes about Wikipedia and how she got started with Wikipedia. Please come fast. Or somebody can pass around the mic, or you can come.
Well, I'm Priya and I'm a classical dancer. I thought I should be introducing my profession because dance is also given a lot of importance on Wikipedia. I'm a teacher. I come from Pilani, Rajasthan, and a lot of my students manage a lot of their project work. Like I give them ideas and I give them interrelationship between the Indian diverse cultures, and children get to read about all the dance forms, and I feel so good about it. Now, the only thing that I wanted to request was if we could have video clippings, because dance is a movement. It's not static, it's not frozen. So I would really request that some kind of software backup is there for this. And I haven't edited till today because I kept reading more and more. But now that I have come for this conference and met the Malayali Wikipedians, I'm sure I'll be going ahead and doing something for Wikipedia too. Thank you so much.
Just a quick thought.
Hello.
You can upload videos to Wikipedia today, so if there are any pieces you want to contribute. So if there are...
Yeah, can I kind of take that? I think she brought up an important point about how Wikipedia serves the dance community. I think Commons is our major resource which can have all kinds of materials, whether it is pictures or movies or audio clips. You have plenty of them. I think you still have to discover them. I think we will help you do that. Okay? Thank you very much. After that, we kind of move on to a person who has, we don't have time, but we have one more category which will give an opportunity for another person to speak for a minute. That person should be somebody who is contributing already and a specific topic or something, and who would like to share his experiences in terms of contributing. I see, you are contributing, Muzammil? Yeah, please come. Can somebody pass the mic to Muzammil?
I would be happy if probably Commons could have been also kept in the recognition category.
Oh.
Because the reason is, I should say that it's a selfish reason. The reason is, I have uploaded more than 300 autographs on the Commons. They are still on Commons. And another thing is, of course, recognition of the Hindi language. In the recently concluded Wikimania, I was the one person who translated all the program and information files into Hindi. And probably if on that accounts that people of other countries, other nationalities, they have translated in Czech and their nationalities, and I was the only person who translated in Hindi. If you could have recognized that also, then I would have been very happy. Of course, I am also involved in other projects, and definitely I will contribute in wiki projects in future also. But probably if that recognition had been there, then I would have really been encouraged rather.
Thank you, Muzammil, for your feedback. We'll certainly take that.
Yeah.
And I think the next...
Arjuna, I want to make a point here that, when we had started this 100 days of, before just starting this wiki conference in India, there was an event in the comments saying that India loves Wikimedia. Okay. So it was already existing project. It just brought into the part of this wiki conference India. It was just 200 or less than photo was uploaded. And if you look at the category of that one, there are around more than 3,000, I think it is nearly 4,000 images which has been already uploaded part of this event. So I was contributing that one. There are a lot of prominent Malayalam Wikipedia and other Wikipedian has contributed a lot of photos to that particular category. So I think when I mentioned the point, Commons said this is one of the good thing happened part of this WCI. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for that clarification. Now we will move on to the open forum. I think you heard of Wikimedia India, that is the chapter, and the Wikimedia Foundation, and you have been kind of hearing more developments on both the fronts. We have heard from Barry and we have heard from the chapter as well. So this is a great opportunity to kind of actually air your questions. Is Gautam around? Okay, I don't see Gautam, so what I would do is I would kind of be the moderator as well as, and of course request my fellow EC members to kind of actually respond to the questions. So how much, maybe 10 minutes can we take? So we'll start with the questions. So who would like to ask the first question? Question on open forum, first question, any hands going up? Any doubts you have that has not been kind of addressed in the last 3 days?
Excuse me.
So, Vishwam, you want to ask the first question?
No, I just wanted to tell one more thing. I'm sorry for being late. I just had one comment. We have been growing like small islands in every regional wikis, like Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Urdu, Odia, Punjabi, all of them. I think now it is time for us to start thinking together. Other than EN Wikimedia, the English one, all of us should collaborate now mutually with a mutual interest in each other wikis. It is start time. The time has started now, not to rival, but to grow together. I think we should all have a very symbiotic relationships and cooperate, form groups of inter-wiki collaborations and work together. This is not for the interest of just the English Wikimedia, but for each regional language portals. So what can we do is, whenever you edit something, whenever you do something, have this vision of also growing up that article in the other Wikipedia. For example, like taxonomy, biological information, botanical, zoological information and all, always try to find the folklore name, the local regional name and the scientific name, and at least try a link, put the other languages name also in there, because the search engines will actually group us together. More than we do, the search engines will help on that. I just wanted to tell that.
Thank you, Vishwam. That is a great suggestion. I think there is a lot of content that may be well developed in one of our languages, and if most of us are actually read and write more than kind of 2 languages or 3 languages. So by just adding links, we can actually make that information accessible to others, and by really taking from one language and really updating the other language, we can also contribute. Next question. Anybody? Okay, then thank you very much for your patient listening and participation. I think you really made this a great success. Thank you.
Hi, there is a Canon camera which is missing. If somebody please finds it, please hand it down to the registration desk. It's a Canon camera. It's black in color and it's in the pouch. So if anybody finds it, please hand it to the registration desk. Thank you very much.
It's called the EAB Award after the sponsors, and this is for the young and emerging all-round Wikipedian, and I'd request Hisham to congratulate that Wikipedian, and the award goes to Subhashish. Can you please come over?
Young, emerging, and stunningly good looking as well.
Subhashish, I'll say a few words about Subhashish. He was a discovery for us. Some of us try and put together the Bangalore monthly meetup, and he came from nowhere and took it by storm. He's the man and the force behind, off late, the Bangalore meetups. He's kind of catalyzed and kick-started the Odia Wikipedia in a way. He's done workshops and academies in 3 cities, Bangalore, Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, and available 24/7 on Gtalk, ready to help all the time. And we wish we had more youngsters like him all around, can communicate well, writes excellent meeting summaries. So you don't have to attend the meetup at all. I'm not kidding. So thanks, Subhashish. It's great to have you, and we need more like you.
Okay, before we start with the vote of thanks, we just want to know if there is any feedback, especially if you want to do this event again in any other city, what would be the things that you would like it to improve? So, yes.
Yesterday somebody was telling, assuming that I am some official or somebody was complaining me, a casual Wikipedian or an outside visitor, that the conference has so many problems. I told him, we are working with the philosophy of Wikipedia. We learn, we make mistakes, we edit, we correct ourselves, and we improve upon that. However, being the conveners of a great conference, we should define some of the basic fundamental layers of some standards for a conference. We are the online people, and the first thing you need to provide in a place like this is indefinite, unlimited connectivity, wherever we are. Even if you spend all your money for that, it is still worth. I had put my team, I had completely used all the possible collaborative methods like Google Calendar, Google Documents, Google Presentation. Sorry for telling Google, but this is what they call as cloud computing. Even our presentations were made completely collaborated. It was not one person's job to the last moment. Unfortunately, in the end, we had to take a PDF and give it back to them. A PDF is next to pulp, a dead document. We should remove pulp from our culture. We don't want paper in our culture. We don't want to cut trees just for a Wikimedia conference. That is the second standard we need to use. I had to submit some papers. I had multilated it, smudged it, just to show my protest against that. I am sorry for that, but that was a token, because I had even taken off my child from a school where they wanted a printout instead of a handwritten document, and a document that she created with Creative Commons license, which is available on the net. We have every right to demand from the conference team, for at least for the next conference, these 2 basic layers. We will be online, and we will try to avoid pulp as much as possible. But this is an internal criticism. To the outside world, we had a a great conference. Thank you.
Just a comment, not so much of a question. I just thought it'd be nice if you could have some of the winners here so we could interact. People who you recognize, the Wikimedians. So I'm sure you guys must have contacted them, but for whatever reason, I mean, if that. No, I mean, but you know, yeah, I mean, it just adds. Yeah. So just that. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Hi, this is Sushmita Bubna here. I myself is a visually impaired lady running an NGO in Mumbai named Voice Vision for blind and visually impaired since last 11 years. Also a director of a IT telecom company called Ascent Networks. And I am not at all a Wikipedia user, neither an editor. But have a strong feedback for you all is one that can we have a project where you talk about disabled people, their success stories, their achievements, not making them gods or miracle people, but showing the things that yes, even a disabled can achieve what any other person can achieve or an able person can achieve. That's one feedback. Another feedback is that whatever discussions we had and the speakers' contact details, can we upload it on the Wikipedia itself so that people like us who are print disabled, we cannot read your print documents, can read it over there. That would be really great for us. And from a feedback for the conference, it was fabulous, managed very well. A person like me had so many volunteers to help. I'm really, really from bottom of my heart. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Yeah. I like the Wikipedia philosophy of making mistakes and correcting ourselves. So please take this feedback only in that spirit. I wanted to register. I did not register online. I don't know why I could not register. I asked for this yesterday. I asked for this today. Maybe you people are very comfortable and involved with doing everything online. I think you should also provide a parallel track for people who are not online so that we can also become a part of the online community. Thank you.
Just a suggestion for the organizers. If you accept this suggestion, it is well and good. Since we had a conference and everyone was friendly and we all had all sittings in a cordial manner. So one suggestion I would like to make to the organizers is, if you can compile maybe an Excel file with the names of the attendees and their username and email, it would be of great help. Definitely, like say, it is quite possible that somebody wants to execute some wiki project and we are geographically dispersed, but yet we can be of some help to each another so far as wiki projects is concerned. So if you people could work on it, not necessarily that immediately, maybe in the coming days, then it will be of great help. The second suggestion what I would like to make, or maybe even getting the information from your side, is that I think for most of the presentations you have taken the videos. So where are you likely to upload the videos with regard to the presentations as well as the sessions whatever we have had? We will upload on YouTube, or will you upload on any of the wiki sites?
So the videos have been uploaded. Okay, the videos have been uploaded on ustream.com and ustream.com. You can, sorry, ustream.tv. The exact URL. Okay, if you log on to ustream.tv, search for Wiki Conference India, and you will come to the channel where all these videos have been uploaded. So you'll get to see not all of them, but some of them are surely there. To answer your first question, which was a list of all the people, if you log on to the programs, you can actually click on each individual and go to their talk page and actually interact with them on Wikipedia itself. So you actually do not need a whole list. Whoever you like or whoever you think can collaborate with you on a project right now, you can interact with them, and offline or in different cities, you can go to their talk page and also interact. So it's not like a whole list may be required, but those specific...
Okay. Sir, the members of this Wiki conference constitute a very small minority of the whole population of India, that is nearly crossing 1.2 billion, and whole population of 7 billion crossing in the world. Very small minority of the people are contributing so many articles like stories and their translations, etc. This is just a program of knowledge explosion only. But will it contribute to any change of human being? The readers of this conference are all educated people, but the rural population, who are constituting more than 60% of the population, are not educated. They do not come in interaction with the knowledge explosion taking place in the Wiki conference. Many of us know many things. We also contribute to the problems of the world. But the farmers community or the rural population, who are essentially required for voting in the politics, they alone vote for the politics, the elections, and they decide the fate of democracy here. Mostly, we may not go to the booth to vote. But how can we take this Wiki conference to the rural population? Is there any program for this? I'm just asking the Wiki Conference committee, or if it is not there, let us take this program to the rural population also.
So we don't have. Okay, so this is the first step that we want to. Sorry, this is the first step that we want to take it forward, and then we will be going on to the other cities, and that's what this whole conference is all about. That you go back to your cities, you go back to your towns, and you take this forward there. So yes, and plus there's also an offline Wikipedia that is being worked up. There is also the Wikipedia that's being stored on a CD. There was this guy when we met at Wiki 10 in Mumbai, and he was distributing these CDs. So you can actually go and install it at different schools. So yes, I will connect you to him. Okay, thank you very much. We'll look.
It may not be possible to take the Wiki Conference to the rural population because there is funds problem. If necessary, all the contributors of this conference may contribute something to raise some platform where we can interact with the rural population also. Fundraising is more important. Who can fund, who can contribute to the funds? We, the educated people, who are sufficiently rich people, can contribute to the Wiki Conference fundraising. And we can go and establish some platform where the rural population can also interact. They have got brilliant ideas. Members know the rural population who are really not educated, they also have got brilliant ideas. But we are not extracting their ideas now. We too have got ideas who may contribute, may not contribute. But they can contribute if you given chance. Thank you.
Small request to all the participants. Yeah. About 700 people have registered for the event. But for most of the sessions, there were only mostly less than 50 or less than 30 audience. So, yeah, I know we have to socialize with the other Wikipedians and all. But I would like to request you all from the next program onwards to try to attend more of the sessions, because all the presenters, they put up a lot of effort. So, I think they deserve a better audience, that's all. And overall, the event was a great success, I think, and it rocked.
As we belong to this community, we should apply the knowledge also. I feel the thing is that whenever I took a glass of water, it was that plastic thing. And at least as our group should go for environment-friendly things. So avoid such things, I feel. And the second thing I feel, whenever you upload a picture, is there any technology, I don't know, just to have a description of the, so that I can understand what picture you have uploaded. This is my feeling. Thank you, sir.
Hello. So this is a closing speech for the Wiki Conference India 2011. First up, it's the first Wiki Conference that has ever happened in India, and we really hope and sincerely hope that it happens every year. Second up, I would just like to just inform you guys about how we started on this journey of the Wiki Conference. When the nominations for Wikimania opened up in January 2011, Kundan made a very great submission online saying, you know, Mumbai should host Wikimania, which is the international Wiki Conference. And over the subsequent meetups in Mumbai, we were discussing whether, you know, as a community, are we ready to take on something like Wikimania? And whoever we asked, they told us that we should do something at the national level. And that is how we started working towards Wiki Conference India 2011. So that's a bit about how it started. The only person that I would like to thank or point out is Pranav Karamsi, who is the chairperson of the Wiki Conference. I think he's worked right through this Wiki Conference, right from the start. When we were thinking of doing a Wikimania, and then after it became a Wiki Conference India, and he's worked right through, and we've gone through highs and lows and cliffhangers as we try to organize this conference. Thank you very much for coming.
Just like to have a vote of thanks for everyone who's been helping us over here, and believe me, you know, the list is a lot longer than is in my hands. Of those of the names I call out, I'd request those to come on stage as the names are called out, please. First of all, we'd like to thank all our sponsors, Microsoft Research, EAB.com, Omidyar Network, Kal Nirnay, Ang India Technologies, SarkariNaukri.com, eReg Now, Avignata, Text 100, Chorus, Sukhi Securities, DSN, and Panache Events. We'd also like to thank the Mumbai Police for this, for all the protection they've given us over here. Jimmy Wales for actually coming down here for exactly 12 hours to give the opening keynote, along with the WMF and the Indian Embassy in Brussels, Gera Ben, Chetan Bhai, and Jacob, who made Jimmy's visit possible. Our 4 advisors, Vishakha, Aanchal, Hisham, and Arjuna. From the India office, Hisham, Nitika, Shiju, the India chapter executive committee, the past and present members, all the invited and internal speakers, Abhishek Suryavanshi, and all the volunteers from EMDI. We also had a contest called India Loves Wikipedia, which was like a 100 days outreach event. Special mention for Ramesh, because you know, he contributed a lot of the images to India Loves Wikipedia on Wikipedia Commons. The GAD department, Sahil Bhagat and Panache Events. And last but not least, on the list is Aditya Sen Gupta and Mehul Ved. You know, we had a lot of problems with the Wi-Fi, but you know, these guys were totally too good. You know, they're running the live streaming on a 3G mobile phone. You know, without them, that would have been really impossible. So it's really special mention for both these guys. From the organizing committee, Gautam, Sudanva, Shrikant, Tinu, Shriket, Harriet, Bala, Naveen, Santosh, Jayanta, Ashwin, and Mandar. And especially from Mumbai, our secretary, Moksh Juneja, you know, Pradeep, who's been with me, along with me, all through, you know, since this began. Kundan, you know, who's totally, really so large-hearted that he's actually even sponsored the event from the Mumbai community. One of our biggest sponsors, in fact. Netra, Vishal, Vikram, Dr. Nagarjuna from HBCSE. You know, Dr. Nagarjuna provided a lot of support from HBCSE, so special mention for him. Suyog, Anisha, Shekhar, and Harshita. I'd like everyone on stage here as for the closing bow, please. All the volunteers from EIMDI, please come up as well.